Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature in Google Chrome that allows you to manage download permissions for websites. With a recent update, you can now set sites to ask for permission before they initiate downloads. Let's walk through the steps to enable this feature on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have it running yet, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click to launch it. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the site you want to adjust. This could be any website that you frequently download files from, or one that you're unsure about regarding its download practices. Next, look for the site information icon located right next to the web address in the address bar. This icon typically looks like a padlock or an info symbol. Click on it to reveal a small menu. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various permissions for the website you are currently visiting. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Automatic Downloads. Here, you'll see options related to how Chrome handles downloads from this site. To change the setting, choose Ask next to Automatic Downloads. This setting ensures that whenever the site attempts to start a download, Chrome will prompt you for permission first. This is a great way to maintain control over what gets downloaded onto your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Chrome to ask for download permissions from specific sites. This not only enhances your security, but also gives you peace of mind when browsing. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also benefit from these settings. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your browsing experience. Thank you for watching.